In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to change password on Wise account. So all you just need to do, just log into your Wise account. You can see I'm currently on the dashboard. Then the next thing you're gonna do, just click on the top icon on the left side right here. So once you click on that, scroll all the way down to where you see privacy and security, then click on that. Then it's gonna take you to this page right here. Then the next thing you're gonna see is to change password. So just click on change password. Then the next thing they're gonna ask you is to input the current password of your Wise account, then input the new password you want to be using to log in your Wise account. And you can see at the top they said they will never send you a temporary password by phone, email, or text message. When changing your password, always use something that it's only known by you. Learn how to keep your account safe. You can also click on that if you want to. But then once you input the current password and the new password right here, then click on change password and your password will change successfully. So that is how you can change your password on your Wise account.